Hi, I'm Mark Rudiger from Lake County Websites and Computer Repair, and I'm here to show you a 6-minute short video of the big workshop I did last month. It was sold out. It's a 2-hour workshop on a Saturday. And this is just to help you create folders and files and store them where you can find them again. So go ahead and watch the movie, and I'll see you at the end. Thank you.
Real quick. So if I want to create new folders, because that was one of the problems with some people creating new folder and then new folder and then new folder. So if I'm on, let's just go to Documents and say I want to do my taxes, put my taxes in folders. So I go to the new folder and say, let's say taxes 2015. Well, first of all, let's do this. Let's do another one just called taxes. Okay, say if I have those two right there, I have the taxes, and then I have taxes 2015, but I really want taxes 2015 in here because I want all my dates in there. So now I messed up, right? I have it outside in the wrong spot. So I can just drag this taxes into the 2015 into the taxes. So now it's in there. So if I want to create 2014, if I just create it right here, I'm going to mess up again. Because if I do that, taxes 2014, now they're outside of that folder again, right? So now I have to drag it back in to taxes. So the way you want to do it is, I want to have all my years in the taxes. I double click on the tax folder, and there's the two that I just dragged in there. Now I create my new folder, and I say taxes 2013, and I create another one. And you got to be careful too, because if you double click on this one, say, and then you put taxes 2012, you're inside the 2013 folder. So you have to make sure. Let's just do this.
So you make sure you go to home first.
This Windows 8 is a little different. Actually, if you're in Windows 7, you can see the view and the edit and stuff. They changed the top menu on 2008, so it's a little harder to. You have to go to home first before you can see it. Sometimes you can actually right-click and do new folder. On some, right here, yeah, new folder. So I can actually right-click and say new folder. And if I just hit the enter, see, I just got a folder called new folder, right? Huh? Yeah. And then people open that one, and then they create another one, and they hit enter, and they got a folder within a folder. Okay, so now I have my taxes, but then I messed up because where's 2012 that I made? I put it in here by mistake. So I'm going to take 2012 out, and I'm going to drag it up here. I can actually drag it right to that spot. And I'm going to delete that one. Or rename it. See, I could rename this too. Right-click, rename. It's one way. Or you can click on it. On the Mac too, you can click on it and change the name. You can also rename with the key, with the right-click, to taxes 2011. So I can also do this and say cut that, and I'm going to go back to taxes and paste it here. So now I have all my taxes. So now if I save a file, so say I'm on this file, and this is my 2012 taxes that I'm working on, right? Say I just did TurboTax and I made a PDF of the taxes. I can go to Save As. And then I go to my computer, Documents. You have to remember where you put your stuff, too. So there's taxes. So if this was 2012 taxes, I open this folder first. Now I have to go down here and say Save. Okay, so now I just saved it. So now if I went to my documents and I want to work on taxes, go to taxes, 2012 is where my file is. And you want to do that anytime you download a program or a file, like from your email. A lot of times people download stuff and they don't know where it goes. Right? Anybody have that? So, and it's funny too, because like sometimes people try, they say, well, I tried to install Firefox, but it won't work. And I look in the downloads, and there's 7 Firefoxes in there. So they downloaded it, but they didn't install it. Right? There's 2 processes to downloading a program. You download it, and then you install it. With the Mac, you drag it into applications. Right? And so you really want to do, just don't save, because you don't know where it's if you don't know where it's defaulting to, don't just say save as. And then you'll get this little screen, and you can see where you actually want it to go. I remember that back in the AOL days. They would say save, and everybody would save it, and you don't know where it went. They put it in like some temporary file folder somewhere.
Hi, thank you for watching the video. I hope it was helpful. I do have a lot of information on my website at markrudiger.com. If you go there, you'll find out information on the new workshops coming up. I do monthly workshops, and they're all different topics. So hopefully one will ring true with you. Go ahead and go there and see what's happening. I also will be posting my articles and also more of these type of videos. So go ahead over, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.